name's Steven, and I'm back with Cannin.com to do another technical analysis learning session with you, our everyday trading users. This week we're looking at another CBD hemp stock, Elixinol Global. This is the OTC ticker, ELLXF. And you can see, typical story, losing a lot of its momentum. End of 2019, it was up about 70 cents, had broken 90 cents. Into January, the end of January, it held its value, rebounded a little bit, and then down. And you can see its current trend at 13 cents. So hit hard by a lot of COVID and other things that 2020 has to offer. You can see we're looking at our moving averages again, our 50 period, 100 period, and 200 period, progressively getting darker as the longer period. And we did have some death crosses back in 2019, first in August, the second in September. No action since then. I'll zoom way in, and you can see we may be getting close to having one of those crosses in the right direction for a buy, but we're not there yet. We're also looking at ATR. This is the average true range. This is just a really good marker of volatility. You can see that our Hakanashis are pretty small, not a lot of volatility there. There are some spikes in volume, but price isn't accompanying them. The higher the ATR, the higher the volatility. The lower it is, the less volatility. You can see how low we are. We closed 0.023, so not a lot of volatility, not a lot of movement in Elixinol. We don't expect some of these huge jumps that we're seeing in some of the other hemp stocks. And then we're looking at the Stochastic, which is another indicator similar to the CCI or the RSI, which is really going to tell us momentum and tell us if things are overbought or oversold. You can see from 20 to 80 is highlighted on the 0 to 100 scale for the Stochastic. Outside of that bound is overbought and oversold territory. You can see we did get a little overbought, which is interesting, in April when we rebounded from about 11 cents to about 23 cents. So we did get a little doubling of the stock, and that did put us in the overbought period. And since then, not much else has happened. We were oversold, and then just barely hitting the 20 threshold and crossing it into July in the summertime of 2020. So still, bouncing off 20, showing us a lot of downward trends, and current value of this is 41 and 37, so still pretty weak. Definitely, if this were to continue up towards 80, we would keep our eyes on it, but the three of these indicators are telling us on a technical basis, we probably want to stay away from Elixinol right now. Make sure and read the fundamental. They do have some things happening on different continents that are pretty interesting, but it's a tough time right now to be a CBD brand, regardless of where you are on the earth. So let us know who you want to look at next week, and keep watching and keep learning. Thank you very much.